Children, very warm and welcoming good morning. It is myself Subhash Chandra Mishra. I am your lovely English teacher and I am going to teach you today the poem 3 of English core, that is Keeping Quiet. Children, this beautiful poem has been written by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda is a poet who has requested the humanity to live life not only for himself, herself, but also for the other people, for the other animal being, for the plants. Means there should be balanced life on this earth. This has been requested by the poet Pablo Neruda. The poet talks in this poem about that he is going to count 1 to 12, and while he is counting, it is our responsibility to keep quiet. We should not speak in any language and we must be keeping fully quiet. If we all over the world people are going to keep completely quiet, then that will be an exotic moment. That will be very, very different and enjoyable moment. And that moment really will keep us a lot to introspect ourselves. Here, children, the poet says that we human beings will be able to evaluate what to do and what not to do. And in spite of that, all human beings will not harm anyone. The person who is hunting will not kill the whale. The person who are hunting animals, they will not kill any animal. And the persons who are the salt gatherers, they will be able to see their hand and feet. Children, here the poet states that the competition in the all over countries of the world, where the powerful countries are willing to prepare some type of weapons, atomic weapons, chemical weapons, weapons of virus, and weapons of various type of which are going to have a strong competition in between the human being all over the world. And this competition will really be a cause of great disbelief among the human being. Here the poet states that the life of people who are preparing for the war, if they are fighting the war, and after that war, no one will be alive, or a few people will be alive, and the people who will be alive, those will be the survivors, and the person who will win the war, that person will be only weeping, having some type of grief and difficulties, and having celebration of with those people who are there and for those people who are no more. Children, the poet wants to us that we should not fight with each other. We should stop the war. That war can be the cause of destruction. The poet further insists that the human being should not associate this total activity with death. The poet does not want human being to die. The poet gives an example of this earth, that during the winter season, the earth's complete activities are closed, and after the winter season is over, there is spring season. In that spring season, the complete activities are of this earth again alive, and these activities giving us the various aspects of human behavior. Likewise, the poet states that this keeping quiet should not be associated with death. And human being should learn a lot, should think a lot for the welfare of human being. What so far as the art teaches is beautiful lesson, and that we human being must introspect. Our introspection should be there, and we should have this complete lesson of association, not only the welfare of human being, but also the plantation, the vegetation, and all the animal being on this earth. That is the beautiful message of this poem. The poet is really a good poet. He has used beautiful imageries and won the Nobel Prize. So he is a Nobel laureate. Children, I conclude this summary by stating that may God bless you, may success marry you. Have a very, very enjoyable and happy learning with me. Thank you very much and good day.